Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off, shut down, or power off your iPhone Air in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now first, and the simplest way is going to be using the buttons. You're going to use the volume up button, which is in between the action button and the volume down button, and then this big side button. Simultaneously, you need to press and hold them for about a few seconds, and then a menu like this should pop up, and then you can slide to power off. That's going to be method number one. Method number two is you can pull down from the top here and you should see an icon for the power option. So go ahead and tap on that and then slide to power off. So that's going to be another way. You can also do it by going into your setting, general, and then scrolling all the way down to shut down. And this menu will pop up and you slide to power off or shut down. Now another way also you can do it if you couldn't use any of those other ones is in your settings. If you go to Apple Intelligent Siri, as long as you have Siri turned on, you can actually get Siri to also turn off your phone by issuing a command like this. Hey Siri, power off my iPhone. Yes. And then once you confirm, Siri can also power off or shut down or turn off your iPhone, just like that. Now you may also be wondering, how do you power it back on or turn it back on? Really simple. You just press and hold onto this big side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So as you can see here, it takes, again, 5 seconds, sometimes even 10 seconds. Another way, if that isn't working for you, is if you plug it into a charger. If it's already turned off, the iPhones are designed to power back on automatically if it's turned off and you plug it into a charger. So those are different ways to power off, shut down, turn on and off your iPhone Air. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.